स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, once again welcome to all in Manua Education. So I hope all you are stick with the preparations, right guys? So today's video is all about the reservation policy with respect to your NCHMCT JEE 2021. So what will be the reservation criteria with respect to the IHM where you wanna pursue your hotel management programs? So guys, stay tuned with me in this video to know about the reservation policy, how many percentage are given to each particular category. So guys, in case if you wanna start the preparation for 2021 and 2022, then you can join the live classes. The batches are already launched. So very first one, if you are in 11th standard, so you have enough time to plan all your strategies, to prepare the roadmap and to energize all your practices, because you will have enough time to practice. Okay guys, those who are in 12th standard, they can directly join the live preparation batch and they can prepare for 2021. So that means you have to perform more with your 12th also. So don't worry about the 12th board. You will get overall preparation, all the mentorship, guidance in the live lectures. So don't worry about that your 12th board will hamper the preparation of NCHMCT JEE or vice versa. So if you are in 11th, you can slowly start your preparations, and thus there will be only one thing will remain, that is nothing but the performance during your 12th standards. Okay guys, so either you are in 11th or 12th, if you want a career in this rapidly growing industries, that is the hotel industry, then friends, let me tell you the one and only exam, that is nothing but the NCHMCT JEE, through which you can enter into your dream IHM and can make your career immense. So for enrollment, call on 8828581455. So our main point, the reservation criteria. So for admission to the participating institutes, guys, please see the reservation policy applicable in that particular institute. But yes, in case of the institutes run by the central government, there is only one policy as under. For scheduled caste, that is SC, 15% reservation is there. For scheduled tribes, 7.5%. For other backward classes, 27% reservation is there, and the 10% seats are reserved for the EWS candidates. That means the individuals who are not covered under the reservation for SC, ST and OBC and whose families have a gross annual income less than 8 lakh rupees. So to avail the benefit of EWS reservation, candidate have to produce an income and assess certificate by the competent authority. So for making the EWS, you can visit at the Tehsildar office or even the revenue department, or you can also apply online on Aple Sarkar portal. And with respect to all these reservation criteria, there is also the 5% seats are reserved for the person with disabilities, and their disability should not be less than 40% benchmark disability. So the 5% seats are reserved in each category for the PWD candidates. Now for Kashmiri candidates, the one seat which is the supernumerary in nature in each central and state government affiliated IHM is reserved. So guys, keep all this percentage in your mind and apply accordingly in which particular category you comes. So then accordingly make all the certificates. So if you are from SC or ST or OBC, then make the caste certificate. Okay guys, and also the caste and tribe validity certificate. If you are belonging to OBC category, then make the non-creamy layer certificate, and for EWS make income and asset certificates. So guys, this is all from the today's video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel so that you will get all the updates regarding NCHMCT JEE. So guys, please share this video to all your friends so that they can also get benefit from this video. So if you are preparing for 2021 and even for 2022, you can join our online programs. You will get access for the books, mock tests, sectional and full course. You can also interact live with us. So call on 8828581455 or you can visit at manuaedu.com/hotel management. So this link I also mentioned in the description. Guys, please check the description. So friends, kickstart your preparation from now onwards and enter in your dream IHM. So thank you very much. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.